everyone. In previous video I spoke about how can we set the line colors, and in this video I will talk about how can we change the style of any given line. So I am on my VS Code, and this is the code which you must have seen in my previous video also. So we are just plotting 4 different lines based on the sine wave, and this is what it looks like. So now what I need to do is I need to go ahead and give some different line patterns over here. Rather than everything with solid, let's try to change something. So in order to do that, we need to pass in one additional parameter named line style. And here you can say what type of line do you want. So let's say you are looking for solid line. So just pass in solid, and here I will add another line, let's say dashed line, and the third one I want it to be dash with dot, so that is named as dash dot, and the fourth one would be and the fourth one I would be just dotted one. So let's go ahead and see how it looks like. Now you can see that there are different types of lines you can see. Okay, now let me show you one quick thing. Now instead of typing these 4 words, you can even go with shorthand. So instead of solid, you can just say hyphen, and for dashed you can just give double hyphen. Dash dot is like dash, and you just give dot, and for dotted you can provide here colon. So it would also give you the same result, and this is what we have. I hope you enjoy styling your line, and thanks for watching.